So you've captured a bunch of video clips and need to figure out something about a clip, such as what lens you used, what were your camera settings, or maybe what camera you used if it was a mixed recording environment. Unlike photos that have EXIF data that can be viewed in various programs, video metadata doesn't show up anywhere in Adobe Premiere, which is what I use to edit my videos. Fortunately, there's a simple solution for being able to access the metadata for your video clips, so that's what we'll dig into in this episode of Artisan Advice. To get started, you'll want to download a program called Catalyst Browse. It's a free program available for Mac and Windows that helps you manage your media. It's a really powerful tool that I'll talk about more in a future video, but today we're specifically using it to look at the details for our video clips. I'll start by navigating to the drive and folder that has the video clips that I want to get the details for. You'll notice in the previews that these clips look kind of gray, and that's because they were filmed using S-Log3, but check this out. Once you select a clip, you'll notice in the preview window that you can view it and play it back in a Rec. 709 color space. This is definitely useful, but we're trying to find our metadata today, so we'll head up to the inspector icon. Once you select that, you'll have a new panel that gives you all of the metadata for your clips. You can scroll through and view things like the camera that was used, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, aperture, and so much more. This free program does a lot of other useful tasks that I plan on talking about more in upcoming videos. Hopefully this helps you out for now when you get around to editing your videos. If it did, leave a like on this video and subscribe to Alpha Universe, as we have new videos releasing every single week. If you want to learn more about video and content creation, check out one of the videos that you see here on the screen, and I'll see you there.